Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. Of all the sales tips on this list, this is my favorite because I have applied it in so many ways throughout my life, both in and outside of sales. Don't give up. Too many salespeople hear a no and immediately run away. But in reality, about 80% of prospects say no 4 times before they say yes. And the average salesperson only reaches out to prospects twice. So don't give up. You have to be persistent if you want to succeed. Don't give up is the powerful mantra in sales. Hope you practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.